Welcome back. We have this lots of things. Now we need to see that we have the background embedded in it, but we don't need that. We need to extract the background. For doing so, we need to have all the shuffle node we need, and I can copy this one, copy, and put it right here. So this is very nice kind of channel approach, which I like most of Nuke. All right, so now here we have something like this, so I can put it here. All right, and okay, yeah, I can make this thing normal, and then I can get this thing here. All right, another thing I need Alt-C and put it here. I guess so that I'll get this also. Yep, I've got it. Another thing I also need that is going to be I'm showing you. So I need this everything. This is what this is, the the dust. All right, and this is everything we have. So I need to create alpha, right? So how to create the alpha? If I double click and take red, now I have got your alpha here, but here I cannot do so. So I need to have expression. Don't panic. It's very easy. R plus G plus B. Simple. I need everything. So copy and paste it here. Copy, paste it here. Copy, paste it here. Everything. 4 places. Remember the number. 4 places you need to copy and paste. Means combined. So I need everything, and then I can press M key, and I can see when you're going to merge, you can see we have some problem here. That means I need to make plus. If you make plus, no problem, we'll be having in your alpha channel. So now this is, I have made alpha. Now what else we need to have? Now see, I'll show you, but not now. Let me show you the fault that you may do. So go for this. So suppose if you cannot see anything, so that means it is in alpha channels. Press A key, and I can get it back in your RGB mode. Okay. Now here I have got the alpha, and I need to cut it out. I need to cut this thing, right? So to cut anything, because if we don't have any alpha channel here, press K key, K for copy alpha. So A and B is like A is going to give you the alpha, B is going to receive the alpha. A is a giver, B is a receiver. So now you can see we can put, whenever we are going to put this K means this copy alpha thing, you have to use this pre-mult, right? When we are using pre-mult, automatically what will happen that your the background is going to be cut or deleted, because of, you can see the alpha, the black is going to be black. Black means nothing. All right, so you can see we have successfully get rid of this kind of background, and only we have the foreground element.